Dear students of class 12, today I am giving hints related to chapter 11 or unit 11. Okay. In this chapter you have to study about alcohol, phenol and ether. So first I think in organic chemistry, nomenclature is important. So you have to capture naming, it means nomenclature of alcohol, phenol and ether very well. In NCERT book given about 10 compounds related to each. So you have to capture. After that, you have to study preparation of alcohol, phenol and ether very well. Some highlighted preparation, related to alcohol, from carbonyl compound, a second from Grignard reagent. The preparation related to this you have to capture. Preparation of phenol, I think 4 methods very important. From haloarenes, second from benzene sulfonic acid, third from diazonium salt, a fourth from cumene. Okay, generally phenol is prepared, so you have to capture. Same way related to ethene you have to capture. Okay, now listen. After that, physical properties, I think not very difficult, so you have to capture chemical properties. And esterification related to alcohol, important. Dehydration, it is also important. You have to capture very well. Now related to phenol, nitration given in your book. Nitration, halogenation, Kolbe reaction, Riemer-Tiemann reaction. I think these are important. Kolbe, Riemer, halogenation, okay, nitration. These are important chemical properties, so you have to capture very well. Physical properties, I told, not very difficult, so you have to do proper attention related to chemical properties. Chemical reaction related to ether, I think given in your book. First, cleavage of carbon oxygen bond in ether. Second, electrophilic substitution in it, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts reaction and nitration. Only three are very important. So you have to capture well. So I think main important thing for weak student, you have to understand very well. You have to revise well nomenclature, preparation and chemical properties of alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay, beside it NCERT question answer given 2 or 3 times. You have to revise very well. For intelligent nomenclature, classification, preparation, physical properties, chemical properties, proper usage of alcohol, phenol, ether, everything important. Beside it question answer related to NCERT. Okay, your examination is at hand, so revise again and again, but not very fast. Gradual process, it is gradual, so try to understand. In a systematic manner. I think in organic you can say this is the first chapter, because chapter number 10 I think you can say introduction, but this chapter is very important. So you have to capture well. Writing practice you have to do very well in organic chemistry related to equational fact, related to preparation, chemical properties. If you do again and again, so I think you feel comfortable for the examination. So writing practice you have to do every day very well. Suppose that related to alcohol, the preparation, properties, usage, nomenclature, everything you have to write. Okay, same way phenol and ether, if you do writing practice very well, then I think you will get good marks. In organic, that is easily memorized, but organic for weak students feel difficulty to memorize. So do writing practice very well. Okay, one topic every day. I told one day related to alcohol, next day related to phenol, and the last related to ether. So I think if you do 3 days memorizing plus writing, so I think you will do better in the examination. So try to capture it. Thank you.